Okay guys, I've got a meeting soon, so this has to be quick, but it's something I couldn't ignore and we have to talk about today. AI has just took a massive jump in capabilities, usability and usefulness. And I've been pondering on how I can explain what this means or what the difference is or what the actual value that has just become available. So really what can happen now is you can build an AI operating system. And the best way to explain what this is it can now make decisions and use multiple tools from a centralized pre-programmed command center. This is my own definition, this is my own understanding, and this is what the simplest way I can explain it to you. And this contrasts and has differences to the AI that we have seen before. Previously, you were using individual tools and you were constantly programming these tools to understand your business, your objectives, the direction, your workflows. But now you can create context and add that into this centralized place that can actually manage, make decisions, and execute projects without your interaction. Your job is to program and update and define the objectives of what you would like to complete. So what can you do today? The first thing you need to do is you need to change your mindset. You need to ask a different question than you were asking before. You need to stop asking the question, how can I use AI for this task? And you need to switch to the mindset of, what in my business can run without me? That is the question that you must ask. Now the steps between that question and making this actually happen is understanding the tools available, how this all works, how you build it, how you build the layers of information, build up the context, the data, the resources that this operating system, the centralized operating system can use to make decisions, execute tasks, and develop, compound, grow, and get stronger with time. This is something that every business owner will need. It's something that every business critical employee will have. Everyone needs this. AI is at a point now, it is non-negotiable to adopt AI. It is the difference between being competitive and not being even in the game. Businesses will close down over this. People will lose their jobs. And that is just the evolution of business. But right now it is advancing at an insanely fast rate. And the only thing we can do is educate ourselves and stay at the forefront of this new development.